water this video, but to mark my share button, share. Let me even use this opportunity to specially appreciate my one and only prophet, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Onye amụma dị ike ma na-ewu ewu na nke ikpeazụ a. Onye amụma dị ike ma na-ewu ewu na nke ikpeazụ a. Ịghọtago? Ekwuru m mụnwa wezugo wee kwuo na Zion Ministry wo church ya Chineke wepụtara for this end time movement. Because no harm in this end time, the bridging up between the Antichrist and the Christians and the believers. Every other and so many other, let me not say every other, so many other pastors, so many other reverend and fathers has been compromised by this false message and this Antichrist message of the last time, of the end time. So many of them have been compromised. But Zion Ministry kasona church kaku, kasona congregation kaku so strong, kadu firm in defending the body of Christ. There is nothing you cannot tell me. Those only had to go compromised if they are not saying one thing or the other that is going to glorify this kingdom of darkness. They are aligning with them in one way or the other. But the only ministry or congregation in these last days, one of them, not the only one of them, that has remained unshakable was Zion Ministry. Chineke Muma will prepare for this end time era. Because if they are not busy struggling for members, they are busy scrambling for money. If they are not scrambling for money, they are jealous of either. But when you come to that, within that gap of this Antichrist era, it is Zion Ministry. Chineke wu omechala fancha, ofechala fancha and okuchala fancha n'olu na Zion Ministry. Just look at an easiest way a Christian or a servant of God will express that spirit of God and that message of God can be very much active. You still choose to use it to entertain those in the kingdom of darkness, those in the underworld. Those carnal men, which is gonna na mmadụ ifiru na mmadụ mejọrọ as onye ozi Chukwu, as onye amụma dị ike ma na-ewu ewu. Instead of some people, so many men of God will even forgive without even an apology. They will forgive without even an apology. Or we consolidate here with that message, Bible, the real thing and the actual thing to do is to even forgive before an apology. But it is also good if you say you are demanding for an apology, because at least Maduma apology, it shows that no one to sorry for me. But I also want to let you know that apology does not mean that the person is wrong. Somebody can apologize even when they are right. That is, by the way, story for another day. But you demand therefore apology. But look at what a practical Christian can do. During the time of Ijele made an unthinkable thing. Yet some of these guys, including those who call themselves Christians, so na Koreaka, but the aka paloria, the other, a way grant here bear, waking meeting up with the bear condition. Unyamuma diki manewe, unyamuma this last day, unyamuma this end time. Where fafunya wulu na tane born, or we be nearly way, western the Zion legatim, pipe one low. You gotta go. We go up Tiffany, we meet up with the if I Ijele. Even without Ijele apologizing to him, he forgave him. That is what it means for somebody to be a practical Christian. Evangelist Ebuka Obi said, a demonstrative go so many places where Oswe so na the pastors so di she. They want to go the pastors di she. That is also another place where I respect that Ephraim Ononye. Go. These are men do equal, do ready, do prepared for this end time era. Because now this end time era, we be a device who will usi onya ka eji wee sị God na ignorant of the devices of the enemy. Na nke ikpeazụ ha device onwe ha into different, in fact ha camouflage onwe ha into different places with different people wee na-alụ ọrụ. During the time Anunwebe Nando, who is a native doctor nwere problem with aya ya Nando nna ya ochie, o wee na-achụgharị ya, o wee gbaje ọsọ na Lagos, nwa dibia wee gbata ọsọ na a church wee welcome ya, wee nye ya ego, nye ya accommodation, mee ya ka ọ dị comfortable. It is only a man of God who has the fear of God that can do that without demanding anything from him. Nyanwa jake sa anono sacha anono puzi ekuo na bia do idishia ye na Zion ministry. But that is because na Evangelist Ebuka Obi to welcoming. He's a practical Christian. He has done so many things. You cannot take away that credit from him. Tell me a man of God in Nigeria in this recent time who has been bullied and attacked the way the mothers were men at Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Still, when you see him, he still talk to people with love. He's still trying as much as possible to contribute his own quota to the development of our society without even counting on our like here or on our like here. The project Umwelu Numweri, Nka Emelu Nimo State, the one going on in Ngopala, and the other ones can be a testimony to what I am saying now. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, because so many people they use video, they put it out of context. They will be bold enough to put his video, they will be bold enough to call his name, and they will be bold enough to quote him out of context. They have leveled all manner of allegations against him, yet he is smiling and laughing. Even while talking about it in the church, he will still be laughing and smiling. No time he did with anybody. The other go on Azalo, I just decide, yeah. Can Abania we appreciate ye because no do easy. I free for na anyo say afro nesu ha. I free for na atano obra na agba ha neze because na ha na ekwu ekwuru na achu onye nya na ha ya eme aka nge kam e wata go if Evangelist Ebuka Obi to ye onye amụma pụrụ iche to ye onye amụma dị ike ma na ewu ewu to ye onye amụma Chineke gbara aka wepụta maka oge ikpeazụ a because oge ikpeazụ ya nido ndị ya awụ akwụrụ ha na-aza akwa akwụrụ ịkwa ha aka ha n'igilo. A lot of Christians na this struggle are compromised. Shago. That is why I feel those people who are strong, voice are strong. We still appreciate them. Appreciate maka ndị na-anụ ọgụ. Ụnọ na-anụ ọgụ nọ shogo ụnọ kọrọ na-anụ. Ịghọtago Ebube Zion ministry karịrị akarị and the only thing we ime about it. As if na God mana this end time ya dị etu a wee je pịa aka we work as our ministry, we plant here, waiting for this end time era. As a Christian, have you been compromised? So many of you have been compromised by those people you should be trying to convert. You have been compromised by those people who are unbelievers, those people who are Antichrist. They have compromised you by recruiting you indirectly into one emotional fight, each and every fight to your own glory without you are fighting to the glory of God without knowing that you are fighting it for their own interest to the glory of whatever they believe in. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Share this video. If you don't want to be deserve I appreciate you. We'll put 1 minute of your time. You want to go? It will yafa. Actually, you will put 1 minute of your time. It will yafa. Yeah, in that man in Melumania, I saw a lot of things that I cannot even begin to explain. Go. Mine, what I have, maybe that man, no, is a natural love, undying one. Go. Supporting him all through because I know who he is. You don't know, but I know who he is. Go. I catch you go to Nebona. Look at the man, Dibia. Man, the only one na Evangelist Ebuka Obi as a threat. You cannot even say anything without making reference to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I mean, no Sunday Christian say Mbana Okayana But why are they focusing more attention on Evangelist Ebuka Obi? It is because they have seen exactly what I have said now. Now God raised that congregation especially for this end time days I know. That is why you see some of these men of God, those who call themselves men of God, preaching messages that will glorify what Matthias had believed in. Everybody, some of them are slacking, but talk when we can go changing, and one of them is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Share this video and appreciate the Papa himself, the prophet, the woman mopo, Ntusi Akwa Zion, civilian general, and the Ishatakwana God of Omechala Fancha, Ofuchala Fancha, and Ofuchala Fancha, no law. Is God.